Now that you made yours look like mine, let's join them together and get them ready to print. First, all of these are made from different shapes that I overlapped, just like in the other pieces. Let's select them all, Shift Control B, Union. And now this should be one singular shape. Great. We need to join it together with the rest of these pieces. Select it, overlap it onto that last one here. Shift select both of them, then Shift Control B and Union. And now that is all one shape. Hopefully our sword is ready to print. Let's give it a shot and see. We'll select everything, choose File, Export, STL. I'm going to call it V1 in whatever file name I give it, because I know I'm going to have to try some other tests. Go to Apply Modifiers and then Export. Open up your Bambu Studio. If you've downloaded it and logged in already, you can create a new project and go to File, Import, STL. There it is. So I have 6 non-manifold edges, which isn't bad. If you're on a Windows machine, you can hit Repair. And now it should be okay. Let's go up and scale this. We'll also go to Support here. We're going to enable support, and I'm doing on build plate only. Let's leave the defaults as is. We'll hit Slice Plate, twirl this up, and we'll come in close and see what this looks like. This should print okay. You can drag this to see exactly what the inside is going to look like. However, we can make some other changes here. For quality, with the printer I have, I'm going to choose Extra Fine and Slice Plate. That will take it longer to slice, and it will also take it longer to print, but will give you a nicer look. And if we want to get rid of these top edges here and have a more polished finish, select on layer height. We'll choose adaptive, smooth, and then we're going to change this and up the radius or go back and forth until it starts to look right. Slice the plate again, and now it should be ready to print. Good luck with your articulated sword. I hope this was helpful.